Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what we're going to be discussing is the new sneakers link drop method that they have just released. You probably saw this recently implemented on the SB4 Navy drop, and we're going to be discussing, is this good for sneakers, but also we're going to be breaking down what's going to be happening, what types of drops this will be implemented on, and is it going to be the new standard? Is this what we're going to see for all future shock drops? And we'll just kind of get into that in this video and discuss it today. Yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy. Again, if you all want more sneaker content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget, let's just try and hit 300 likes on this video. That's a normal goal we always shoot for. And if you guys have any questions, just ask them down below. And don't forget to check out my Instagrams, also the Whatnot Lives. We've been killing it recently on there. I appreciate you guys supporting what we do on the streams. We got tons of ones coming up, so make sure you guys don't miss out on those. Bookmark them, save the dates so you don't miss those shows on the way. But there's lots of stuff. Don't miss it. More SB4s, things like that. And of course, as always, shout out my members in Resale Vision. You guys can see some of the recent deals we've done in there. We're going to keep trying to provide consistency and good deals in there. That's what we do. Every single day, we're always dropping at least a little something for you guys. And of course, we let members know about the bread loaves this morning, a little bit lower stock, and yeah, hopefully a few of them hit. Because yeah, Nike only did like 30K, so those probably went up in price. We'll discuss those tomorrow on the channel. But yeah, that's it. Again, all that is down below the pinned comment if y'all want to check it out. Hope y'all will enjoy, and let's get started. So as you guys can see, the screen recording is now up, and the main thing we need to discuss is that this is a new sneakers drop method. I think we have seen this before a couple times. Maybe it's just them testing it out, but we really saw it implemented with the recent SB4 Navy drop. You guys may have remember on Eric Costin's story, he posted a little link right there. Basically, you clicked it, and it brought you to, well, the exclusive access for this sneaker where you could cop it and see what sizes were left. There were some sizes that actually were sitting for a bit, like 8 through 10, but they didn't end up lasting. As you guys can see, those are sold out by now, hard to find. They'll probably end up reselling again pretty soon as well in those smaller sizes. They still flip. Like I've been selling them, most of them pretty comfortably. So yeah, just understanding that if you get them a bit lower in price right now, it's actually not a bad idea. I think you get a little bit of a deal on some of those smaller sizes. But let's actually get into what we have with this drop. So as you all can see, basically how they broke it down inside Sneakers. Sneakers Link is an exclusive launch experience that gives you access to drops and collaborations like never before. With Sneakers Link, our goal is to make sure some of the most coveted sneakers make it into the hands of true fans first. Read on how this works down below. We'll get into that in a second. But basically, this is going to be for hype releases, some of those sneakers that are a bit harder to get. Nike is going to be implementing this drop method, and I think it's good. Being honest, if they do this through, again, you'll read this a little bit later into the video. They said they're going to drop these links through approved partners, so that would be like their Nike skaters or a celebrity like Travis Scott. We're going to be seeing, again, more releases where the link will go through their Instagram story or, a story like, or a post on their Twitter. You know what I mean? We're going to start seeing the link go through some of these approved partners for some of these hype kicks. And I think that's actually pretty cool. I like that we saw it for the SB4 Navy, and Skater was the one that dropped that link. I thought that was pretty cool. Of course, you got plenty of Travis Scotts on the way. I'm sure we'll see something with Travis doing this because, I mean, it only makes sense. You know what I mean? So I'm sure we'll see something like that on the way. But that's basically what we can understand with this type of release. We're going to be seeing it much more, and it is something that does give manual users a little bit more of a chance. Now, let's read a bit more. I'll kind of explain as to how it gives manual users a bit of a better chance, because you guys may be asking, like, well, Tristan, I still missed out on the SB4 Navy drop. I wasn't there for, when they dropped it on his story. I don't follow Eric Costin, I mean? Maybe that's your case, and I definitely would make sure you follow his page, because it's not going to be the last time he does that. So if you aren't following him, make sure you do, because he also posts some dope stuff sometimes, on like some previews and some unreleased stuff in his story, things like that. So it is worth it to check out sometimes. He was the guy with like the Black Cat SB4 sample. So like, yeah. He obviously has access to stuff that everyone else is not really going to because he is a Nike skater. But let's get into, again, what else we need to discuss here. So the Sneakers Link launch experience will be accessible only through unique links, which sneakers or our partners may share through various channels, such as social media posts, QR codes, or other unique access points. So again, that would be like Instagram story posts, Twitter posts. Maybe it's just like a picture on their Instagram story, and like you got to scan it, and like it has a little QR code or something. So there's going to be some more things rolled out like this on some of these upcoming hype kicks. I just want to say that. Maybe we're not going to see it on some of the ones in the next month or two, but we did see it on the recent SB4 Navy. So just think about some of those really hype kicks we got set for later this year. We could see something like this release, you know what I mean? This release could be implemented for that sneakers, what I'm trying to say. So keep the sneakers app close, as well as the artists, athletes, and creatives you're interested in, so you'll be the first one to know about the upcoming drops. So definitely make sure you're following those Nike athletes, skaters, just people that got a partnership with Nike that are more tapped into the sneaker space. Those are going to be the ones you want to follow for any particular things like this, because they're going to be the ones that are the partners that will probably be getting those links or QR codes for any of those hype sneakers, and they'll be posting on their story. Their team will do it for them. And yeah, that is go time from there. You got a shot. So as you all can see, once you click the link or scan the QR code, you'll be taken to the SNKRS Link launch experience in the SNKRS app. So you'll learn more about the drops and how to unlock access. If you don't have the app, it's going to tell you to download it. But basically, it's going to bring you to the drop, the EA, right through that link. And then it's going to show you how to get the sneakers. Maybe you'll have to again, scratch a photo because it could be a scratcher, or it could be maybe you got to scan another QR code, or it could just be right there and you just check out, boom, do it like that. It could be simple, but keep in mind, basically that link is going to be then bringing you to the release. So I thought this again is a pretty cool method. It's not like the first time we've seen EA done this style. I mean, people drop EA links all the time, right, on Twitter. So, I mean, in the past, you've been able to, go through those links, log into your account, and see if you got EA. So, this isn't, super new, but I'm sure Nike probably saw that a bit and was like, well, why don't we just, do the release through these links and do them through, some of our partners or people we have Nike partnerships with, like Travis Scott or, Eric Costin, people that they've signed. You know what I mean? It makes sense that they're doing that. So hopefully that makes sense. Basically, these links, these QR codes, they're going to be put on people's stories. They're verified partners, and that's going to be how you're going to be able to access these drops, is through those links or pictures or QR codes you got to scan through their social media posts. And again, the most important thing they say here at the bottom, again, it's not limited stock when they do this, so you got to be quick. The earlier you see it, the better. That's one of the main things. But my main analysis, again, as y'all can see, this is for special shock drops, not all drops. So keep in mind, you're not going to be seeing this for every sneaker, just mainly some of those more hyped ones or hard to get ones. But my honest opinion on this, we'll just end the screen recording right here because I feel like we've, again, shown y'all most of the info that we need to. But if y'all want to know my opinion, I think this is good. I think this is really good for manual users. My honest opinion is this does give us more of a chance with some of those more hyped and coveted sneakers that are just harder to find or harder to get manual access to, because, again, bots eat them all up or they're low stock. This is a good way to do it, in my opinion, because at least the people that, maybe follow those skaters or, have been seeing them, seeing the skaters with those sneakers, or, different partners that, they're big fans of, they've been rocking those upcoming kicks, and all of a sudden, that person they follow drops a link through their story, and, then that person gets a pair of kicks because, they follow that person, they're a fan of them, they've wanted that pair of sneakers. I think this is good. It's basically what I'm trying to say. It's going to get the sneakers into the hands of people more that are actually just going to rock them, put them on feet, because they saw them on somebody else that they really like, and they want that pair, or they were just there at the right time. You know what I mean? This could even help resellers that are there at the right time. People that are just in the loop. You know what I mean? If you're in the loop, if you follow these people, if you're checking the stories often, and you're there around those release times, then yeah, you might just time it well, and boom, you're just gonna get a pair like that. This is definitely something that, again, I feel like it brings more fairness to these drops. So that's what we can leave it at. It's a good thing, in my opinion. So if y'all want more content like this, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the Tourmaline SB Dunk Low review is coming on Monday, first thing, so do not miss out on that early pair review right there. It's going to be an on-feet review too, so I'm probably, I most likely will tow those, you know what I mean? I still got to do the Kobe Dodger on-feet one. One of y'all reminded me yesterday, so thank you. I told someone to do that for me, so I appreciate that. So yeah, we'll be bringing that probably tomorrow. I just wanted to do this today. Well, actually the bread low seller holds tomorrow. So yeah, well, we'll see when we do the Kobe Dodger on feet. You know what I mean? We might push that one a little bit more into May because that release is a bit away. So hopefully that's understandable. But we do got the pair right there. So yeah, feel free to go check out the review from a bit ago. But if y'all want more content like this, again, I'm just trying to 300 likes in this video. This is the normal goal we always shoot for. Not sure if I'm repeating myself right now, but if I am, hey, it's just like that sometimes. It's been a long day. We just shipped 80 things today. Shout out everyone that supported the Whatnot show. Again, feel free to check me out there below. And anyone that ordered the SB4s or the Essentials, keep in mind those will ship in Monday morning first thing, if not afternoon around 2 p.m. So don't miss out on that. Everything's going to be shipped before Tuesday. So, and yeah, we just mailed a lot today. So it's been a busy day, you know what I mean? But hopefully y'all did enjoy this video here today. Check my IGs out. Any of that down below. It's all in the pinned comment. I'm not going to blow y'all up. But yeah, that's what I can say. That's what I can say. Excuse me. Sorry, I got distracted because I'm watching South Park on my TV over this. We'll get back to watching that in a bit, but we got to edit this video, get some other work done. And yeah, I actually got a dinner with my family tonight, so that's going to be pretty awesome. And yeah, just staying busy, you know what I mean? Spending time with the fam, making sure we're keeping the business consistent. And yeah, shout out my members again down below in Resale Vision. We got a lot more coming very, very soon. Do not miss out on it. The raffle in there. Hey, if you're in there, make sure you guys enter the SB4 raffle. Don't sleep. For a good size, 11.5 too. So do not be sleep on that. But that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one tomorrow. Don't miss out. I hope to see y'all then. Peace.